they're going to the wine here. They're learning to swim. He's already swimming.
But I'm saying if you want to, for YouTube, it's still something for your kids.
Yeah, and we did really, the one thing that's lacking, we didn't venture out to the big city, land home, we have very little, very like time on our own.
Yeah.
And we don't have parents around, right?
Yeah.
We can't go to grandparents.
Any of your kids want to walk?
We haven't done it yet. We moved it over.
What's he doing? Jody.
Jody, Corey.
He is real sweaty.
We're landing.
Did you guys get each other's names?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What have we got?
No, I said we're landing and everything's going to be okay.
I know. My hands are like stripping. I don't like the landing. I just feel like we're never going to stop.
Such a different scene.
So nice to land with the light. It's 5:45 and it's still nice light out.
Could be saved an hour, yeah. I'd like to get home and get started on the equipment before it gets dark.
Southwest Airlines and this entire flight crew would like to welcome you to Newark. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened on with your luggage tow. Since aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Could use caution when opening the overhead bins as auto-seal PlayStation is shipped around and could fall out. Have a connecting flight, simply deep link, check the TV monitors in the gate area for appropriate gate and time of departure.